Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your side hustle with eBay step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current side hustle situation. Identify what products or services you are currently selling. Evaluate their performance in terms of sales and customer engagement. Research the eBay marketplace to understand what items are trending. Choose items that align with your current offerings or that you can source easily. Create an eBay account if you haven't already done so. Set up your profile, including a professional username and clear brand image. Take high-quality photos of your products with good lighting and clear backgrounds. Write detailed and engaging descriptions that highlight the features and benefits of each item. Set competitive pricing based on market research and consider shipping costs. List your items with an enticing title and relevant keywords for better visibility. Optimize your listings by using eBay's SKU system for easier management. Promote your listings through social media channels to increase traffic. Engage with potential customers by responding to inquiries promptly. Maintain good communication with buyers to build trust and credibility. After your items sell, ensure timely shipping and provide tracking information. Request feedback to improve your seller rating on the platform. Regularly review your sales data to identify what's working and what isn't. Adjust your strategies based on this data to maximize sales. Stay updated on eBay policies and best practices to remain competitive. Keep exploring and expanding your product range to grow your side hustle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.